How to work out your ring size when you don't have a ring sizer.
The most important first step when making a ring is to know the size you need. If you don't have a set of ring sizes, there are other ways you can go about measuring your ring size using items that you already have around the house. First off, the paper method. With a ruler, draw a narrow band on a piece of paper, about 1 centimeter wide, and cut it out with scissors. This is now your ring measurer. Wrap the piece of paper snugly around your finger and mark with a pen or pencil where the ends of the paper overlap. If you have large knuckles, wrap the paper around them so that you'll be able to get your ring on and off. Draw a line at the point where you marked your paper and measure that length. Now for some maths. You currently have the circumference of the ring you want, but to work out the length of wire you need to make your ring, you will also need to know the diameter. So divide the length you just measured by pi, and that's the diameter. Easy as that. Now, add the thickness of the metal you're going to use to make your ring to your diameter and multiply that by pi. You now have the length of wire you need to cut for a perfectly sized ring. It's worth noting that you can also use a piece of string or a ribbon for this method. The second method requires you to have a ring that already fits. This is a great solution if you're secretly making a ring for someone else and you have access to their jewellery box. Grab a piece of paper and a well-sharpened pencil and carefully draw around the inside of the ring. Measure the diameter of the circle you've drawn. Take that measurement, add to it the thickness of the wire you're going to use to make the ring, then multiply that by pi. The total is the length of wire you need to cut to make your ring. Easy.